My dear students, all of you take page number 56 in your biobotany textbook. Take the heading 3.2.1 Coupling and Repulsion Theory. The two dominant alleles or recessive alleles occurs in the homologous chromosome. The two dominant alleles, capital A, capital B, small a, small b. The two dominant alleles or recessive alleles occurs in same homologous chromosomes tend to inherit into a same gamete is called as coupling or cis configurations. So coupling means both the dominant genes A and B come from the same parent. Okay, come from the we already know the pair of chromosome, one from the father, another from the mother. We already know that both the dominant alleles are come from the father. During the time of gamete formation, both the dominant alleles are moves to the same gametes. This is called as coupling theory. The dominant alleles are come from the single parent, occur in the same homologous chromosome. They are tend to inherit into the same gametes. So ரெண்டு டாமினன்ட் கேரக்டருமே கேமெட் ஃபார்மேஷன் அப்போ ஒரே கேமெட்டில் தான் வந்து பாஸ் ஆகும். இது மாதிரி இருக்க ரியாக்ஷனுக்கு என்ன பேர்? கப்ளிங் ஆர் சிஸ் கான்ஃபிகரேஷன். ஆல் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் திஸ்? ஸோ அந்த டாமினன்ட் அலல்ஸ் எல்லாம் ஒரே சேம் ஹோமோலகஸ் குரோமோசோம்ஸில் ப்ரெசென்ட்டாக இருந்தால் தட் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் சிஸ் கான்ஃபிகரேஷன். தென் செகண்ட் ஒன் இஸ் த ரிப்பல்ஷன். If the dominant allele or a recessive allele are present on two different chromosomes or present on the two different chromosome, here one dominant allele, here one dominant allele, here one recessive allele, here one recessive allele. Likewise, if dominant or the recessive alleles are present on two different chromosomes but homologous chromosomes they inherit apart. So இங்க அந்த dominant alleles என்னது gamete formation அப்போ separate ஆகுது இல்லையா? That is called as repulsion or trans configuration. இந்த dominant alleles வந்து அந்த two pairsல separate இருந்ததுன்னா அதுக்கு பேரு trans configuration. Here all of you mark the ratio for coupling reaction is 7:1:1:7. The ratio for repulsion reaction is 1:7:7:1. Both are come under the linked gene. So the parental variety is greatly formed. In the ratio of here, the about 88% the parental variety is formed because of the linked genes. Mark this in your textbook, ma. Observed ratio of coupling, observed ratio of repulsion. This will be asked in the 1 mark question, ma. All of you mark it. Next we move to 3.2.2 kinds of linkage. T.H. Morgan found two types of linkage. Who? T.H. Morgan found two types of linkage. They are the complete linkage and incomplete linkage. What are the two types of linkage, ma? Complete linkage and incomplete linkage. Depends upon the presence or absence of new combination of linked gene. How it can be classified? Depends on the absence or presence of new combination of linked genes. So இதை எப்படி classify பண்ணியிருக்காங்க? Absence or presence of new combination of linked genes வச்சு two types பிரிச்சிருக்காங்க. Complete linkage, incomplete linkage. First we see about complete linkage, ma. Complete linkage. If the chance of separation of two linked genes are not possible, underline, not possible. Chance of separation of two linked genes are not possible. Those genes always remain together as a result. Only parental combination are observed. Only the parental combination are observed in the complete linkage. So complete linkage we can get only the parental combination. The linked genes are located very close together on the same chromosome. Such genes do not exhibit crossing over. The linked genes are located very in a chromosomes. The linked genes are located very close to each other. The linked genes are located very close together on the same chromosome. Such genes do not exhibit, they are not involved in the process of crossing over. So crossing over occur means their new recombinations are formed. Here there is no crossing over, there is no new recombinant forms are formed. Only the parental varieties are we get here. This phenomenon is called as complete linkage. It is rare. That complete linkage is rare but has been reported in male Drosophila. Mark it. C.B. Bridges in 1990 discovered the crossing over is completely absent in some species of male Drosophila. Crossing over is completely absent in some species of male Drosophila. Underline ma, this is neat question. It is rare but is reported in where the complete linkage is reported. It is reported in male Drosophila. Afterwards we will study in crossing over. Here there is absence of synaptonemal complex, so there is no crossing over. Afterwards we will study this. C.B. Bridges. Who discovered this? C.B. Bridges in the year 1990. Next one is incomplete linkage if two linked genes are sufficiently apart. Consider this as chromosome. In that two linked genes are far apart. The chance of their separation is possible. Here the chance of separation is possible. As a result, parental and non-parental combination are observed. The linked genes exhibit some crossing over. The linked genes here, they allow some crossing over, so some of the parental and non-parental combinations are formed. This phenomenon is called as incomplete linkage. This was observed in maize. It was reported by Hutchinson's. Now this is also one more question, all you must underline it. Incomplete linkage is observed in maize. It was reported by the scientist Hutchinson. Okay, complete linkage means they do not allow the crossing over. Incomplete linkage means they will allow the cross. Dear student, next we move to the exercise 3.2.3 linkage group. The group of linearly arranged linked genes on a chromosome is called as a linkage group. What is linkage group? The group of linearly arranged linked genes. In a chromosomes, the genes are arranged in a linear manner. The genes are arranged in a linear manner. The group of linearly arranged linked genes on a chromosome. What is the linked genes, ma? The genes are present nearer is called as the linked genes. The group of linearly arranged linked genes on a chromosome is called as linkage group. In any species, the number of linkage group is corresponding to the number haploid sets of chromosomes. Okay, understand it? So linkage group is corresponding to the number of linkage group is corresponding to the number of haploid sets of chromosome. Consider humans have how many chromosomes, ma? 46 chromosomes. 2n is equal to 40. So n is equal to 23. We all know that. Humans have a 23 pair of chromosome, that is 46 chromosome, and the haploid set is a 23. The haploid set is corresponding to the number of linkage groups. If the humans have 23 linkage groups, all you understand it? Likewise, they give some examples. Mucor has 2 linkage groups. Drosophila has 4 linkage. Sweet pea has 7 linkage groups. Neurospora have 7 linkage groups. Maize have 7 linkage groups. All you must read this. This will be asked in the 1 mark questions, ma.